So I've got this L1 and this pi 1 plane. Okay, let's check if L1 will lie on pi or not. So first method is, if you want to know this is on pi, again, we visualize. If you have pi, you want to have the line directly on the plane. First check is always, are they parallel? So let's start with A. Check number A. Is L parallel to pi? How to check that? Take the direction of L, I call it M. We try to dot with N, which is a normal vector here. Direction vector is 2 minus 1 minus 1. We do dot product with that 1, 1, 1. Work out the dot product to show that you will get a 0. So therefore, we will say that M is perpendicular to N, which means that L is parallel to pi. And second check, parallel doesn't mean that it lies on the plane. It could be above the plane. So we should take a point from L. I'm going to take 1, 2, 2. This is the point that is on L. Remember, position plus direction. I take this point from L and I substitute into pi. Which means I want to replace this R to be your 1, 2, 2. We work out the dot product, which will give me 5. Importantly, I'm trying to check whether this value matches the one on the right-hand side there as well. Okay, so from this, since it matches, we can conclude. So 1, 2, 2 lies on pi. And the final conclusion from A and B is I could conclude that L lies on pi, since it is parallel and a point is on the plane. This will be the preferred method. This is based on what we have been talking about on the previous page also.